Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see what kind of story we will get from the 4 coins which I'm going to cover today: BTC, Ethereum, Link and XRP. Link and XRP I've got actually DM to explain in details. I'll try to explain in today's video. If you're enjoying from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. XRP, as the other coins, we're having a lower highs. We've been following actually, as you see, from this pump where the news came, and since that time I mentioned like we'll be in this box, and we don't need that anymore. As you can see, a few days ago it's just rejected week to week, and here I was telling like we're gonna go down, possibly this line should help. And all the wicks after this wicks, only one candle, as you see, this candle managed to break. However, it just rejected and retesting again as double bottom formation. And yeah, now I'm expecting it to go slightly higher. However, in overall, on the 4-hour time frame, XRP looks quite weak. I'm expecting something like that. We've got a parallel channel, as well as we've got this resistance now. Break it, go it a bit higher, and most likely from second resistance, lower line, or from this parallel channel, highly likely we're going to get a rejection. Fib that you can see is just confluencing exactly with our support and resistance. Now everything we've got resistance actually exactly as you see 618 ahead of us. Even if we're going to go, and we will be facing actually 618 as well as horizontal resistance and parallel channel. Most likely, as I said, we're going to go down. Let's move on to BTC. BTC, again, as I mentioned on the 8th of December, once we're going to break this support line, we will be actually consolidating for a few days in here. We've been exactly 5 days or more, and we don't need this box anymore. And just quick recap, when we had actually here, I said we're going to get most likely rejection, and the target price actually will go all the way the last support 2, and exactly as you see we had over 9% profit. When we came here after retest, we went, we hold, rejected. I said on my Twitter account we should hold. By the way, if you want to follow me at Twitter, you can find me Crypto Magnate 8. Crypto Magnate 8. My DM is always open for the requests and reasonable questions regarding TA. Let's move on. I updated that, as I said, actually we should hold this line, and exactly week to week, as you can see, this support line worked quite well, and I gave a target zone, primary, secondary, and here we have over 7% profit. So in 1 week you can see 9%, 7%, which is over 16% profit. And you can see after 12 hours battle, that was, I also mentioned, but I didn't expect, to be honest, this to happen, because bulls are exhausted. I said on my Twitter account I was expecting slightly like consolidating here or rejection from here. However, we went up, and from all-time high resistance after over, I believe, like 40 hours, nearly 2 days, we're just fighting on this level. We will see how it goes. I'll update accordingly. When we take a fib level, that's why we see these wicks, because of the fib levels. And in terms of fib levels, nothing has been changed. We've got 618, 5 zone, 382, and here now 326 in play. I'll come back to the BTC chart and show you something interesting regarding this parallel channel and on a higher time frame. If you're enjoying from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which helps the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's see what Links is telling us. We can see again lower highs, which seems similar to XRP, getting weaker and weaker. These are our support and resistance zones. Actually, you can see exactly rejected from the higher level of this resistance 1, and you can see today again week to week rejected from the support level. What I'm expecting actually from the link, as I said, is quite weak, but I'm expecting something like that goes around here, and possible rejection either from the lower line of this resistance, or it may kiss this higher line and it will just come back. Let's take a fib. Again, there is nothing actually. Once we're going to break here, there is nothing. As you see, there is emptiness, and we had literally a parallel channel here. We've got horizontal resistance, and as well as it's just confluence with our 50 zone. And that's why I was saying we will do something like that, and we will go to the south. Let's look into Ethereum. Ethereum, same as the BTC, we were following this box again from the 8th all the way up until yesterday. 5 days, as I said, we will be in this consolidation zone. After consolidate, you see what happened, and we don't need it, we will delete this box. As you see how the support and resistance worked quite well in here, double bottom formation, rejected all the way up. Now it's just having a battle with the upper line of the major support and resistance. Now in our case it became support. We will see how the price action will act in here. We will take our fib levels, nothing much actually here, however it's just confluence with our daily support resistance. I've got support here, 618, major support second. We will follow in closely what will happen in the future days. However, I'm expecting actually again some sort of consolidation in the coming days, but it shouldn't take that long. If you're enjoying from the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's move on to BTC. On a daily higher time frame, I actually got a DM. Someone was asking actually what do I think about a rising wedge, and I looked into it. Yes, we will just see it. Rising wedge, beautiful rising wedge all the way. Rejection acted as a support. However, when I look at actually our trend line that we've been following, that I told this level will be crucial, the midline, as well as once we're going to break it, we may go to the south. And again, if someone wants to follow this rising wedge, no problem. However, from my end, I'll show you that parallel channel was quite helpful. As you can see, rejected, 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 faked out a bit, and rising wedge actually rejected from here, but it couldn't manage to go all the way here, or it couldn't manage to come all the way here. As you can see, in this scenario, I prefer to use rising wedge is okay, but I prefer to use the parallel channel, and because both of them does more or less the similar job. However, I prefer the best scenario in this case. I'm going to take off the parallel channel. In our case, best scenario, if you're going to take it long, as I said, this would be breaking after all-time high resistance. That would be ideal. If not, if the rejection will happen, we're going to come back, we will retest again. If we're going to get a rejection, you can see parallel channel as well as the rising wedge is here. We're going to just reject from there. So it really doesn't matter, it's up to the individual what they're going to use, what they're going to prefer. However, you saw the parallel channel was quite accurate on the lower time frame as well as the higher time frame. But again, the most important is just following these horizontal support and resistance lines. They've been quite accurate, that you can see as a week to week, couple of days, nearly 2 days now. It's just fighting over here. In previous, it just fought again here, again, week to week. I'm going to show you something interesting now. We're going to go for the daily, and you can see this all-time high resistance. I got it this from 2017, that you can see it's just rejected again week to week, not only 1 week. You can see how it acted here, but let's see what happened actually in 2017. You see, week, and then again green one, it couldn't close, it's just below, exactly dollar to dollar, below the lower resistance, dollar to dollar, the higher resistance, and these 2 weeks actually couldn't make it, and waterfall took place. Now it's again trying last 20 days or so, we will see how the price action reacts. For today's candle, it looks indecision. However, we've got nearly 7 hours to close. Weekly candle as well, we've been following for some time. This candle was beautiful, and this candle, as you see, last time when we checked, it was printing a bear engulfing, and what happened is bears came all the way down, bulls got the strength and then pushed it up, and closed actually right in here. However, this doesn't look strong. I'll come back in the next videos and we will check. This is all for today, and thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video.